Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making another set of cards using the Kendra Cards Challenge number 19 sketches. And we're going to be using Pattern of Friendship stamp set along with the Weekend Adventures Designer Series paper and sticker sheet, okay? Before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Fall for Toil paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 elegant cards. Cajun Craze is the stamping spot. We have our Circle of the Seasons add-on dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And this paper pumpkin is going to coordinate with a suite in the new mini catalog that's coming in September, the Autumn Toil suite okay? I have a link in the description box for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. This is where you earn 10% on all orders of $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future orders. You track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up! Account, and your rewards expire after 12 months of the earning date of each reward, okay? Next, we have our In Color product sale. The 2025 to 2027 In Color products are on sale for 15% off from August 5th to the 31st. You can visit honeybeestampinhive.com, look for the In Color icon, and you can click on that and it'll take you straight to all the products that are included in this sale. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included, and you can email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com if you're interested in one of these boxes, all right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business of the day. So let's get started on our card, and this is going to be sketch number 7. So we're doing sketch 7 and 8 today. So we're going to start with number 7. So I have a card base here of Mossy Meadow 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. We're going to burnish down that score line. I've gone ahead and put the inside of our card together. It is 5 1/4 by 4 with some Designer Series paper that is 4 inches by 3/4 inches, and we're going to just add this to the inside of our card base. I use some Stampin' Seal for that. Let's get our card base opened up here. There we go. And I'm not sure why I changed the measurement for the inside on this card, but I cut all of these at once. Because for her card sketches, you get 6 pieces of paper and you cut them all up and divvy out the pieces to where they go. So I had this already designed out a while. So next we have our pieces for the sketch. So we have some early espresso here that we're going to layer all of our pieces on. I did write on some of these to tell me where they go so that I won't get confused. And I'm going to have to bring in her card sketch so that I can follow along with what I'm supposed to be doing. So these 2 pieces are going to be like this and like this and like this and like this. And I'm just putting them all together so that I'll know pretty much where, how much space I'm going to have left. And my paper, some of my paper is directional, like this. There's trees here, but I don't mind that they're going in the wrong direction. I think it still looks cute. So this is how our card is going to be set up. So I just want to make sure I give myself a good enough border. That's why I'm putting them on here, because I don't want to mess up my spacing. Okay, so we're going to get my liquid glue, and I think I will start with this little piece right here in the corner. I'm going to just add some glue to this. And I'm going to put that down right here in this corner, trying to leave even space around. Then I'll do this piece here. Wait a minute. I think I have these in the wrong. That one goes there. And there is a, when I cut it, it tells you where to put them, each piece. So that's why I'm making sure I put them in the right place. Okay. Oh, goodness. Whoops, I set that down before I wanted to. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ugh. Man, that's going to throw everything off. That's going to throw everything off. Because you see, I wrote this goes at the top. And then, okay, it goes this way. Nope. How am I doing this? Like this, but up. Because I got these on crooked. Now I'm gonna just keep going though. Look at me, making a mess of this. Making a mess. This one is gonna go like this. So let's go ahead and put this one on. Whoop. Go ahead and put my corner piece in. This will help me a little bit, hopefully. Okay. So this piece is going right here. Goodness gracious, look at all that extra glue. And this one is going at the bottom. Like this. It is not too bad, not too bad. Could have been lined up a little better. This is my first time making this card sketch. You guys know I don't like making multiples of something, so usually when I'm putting it together on the video is the first time I'm doing it. I can get this glue off once it dries. I can get that glue off of there, so I'm not worried about the glue. It's just that I'm upset that it's crooked. So on this one we are using a sticker, and we're gonna pop this sticker up. So let me get my sticker sheet out. We're gonna take this sticker here, and we're gonna put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use these edge pieces. I might need to put some right here. I don't want this to stick down where it's not supposed to. Okay, so release the backing of our dimensionals. This says, time is precious, waste it wisely. Oh, goodness. Just gonna put that right there. And then we're gonna add our bling, the Adhesive-Backed textured dots. So we're gonna put some of these on with our Take Your Pick tool. And I think I'm gonna get 2 of the larger ones, put there. And I think that's all I'm gonna do. So that is card sketch number 7 done. So let's move on, keep it moving, keep it moving. So now we're gonna do card sketch number 8. And I have all the pieces here, lots of little pieces. Our inside is already done, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. This is pecan pie that's 5 by 3 3/4. And we are going to, on that, I'm sorry, it's very vanilla. That is 3.5 by 4 3/4 with a piece of designer series paper that is 3/4 by 3. I mean, not 3 by 4.5. Goodness gracious. It's crooked too. I don't know what is going on today. Okay, so we have some pecan pie here that we're going to be layering things on. Then we have this piece of mossy metal. And then all of our little pieces. So on this one, we are doing some stamping. So we have some very vanilla here that we're going to stamp on. I'm going to go ahead and do that now in mossy metal. And we're going to stamp our sentiment right on here. Try to get it centered. Friends are the family you choose for yourself. I love that. Okay, so now we're going to put this card together. So we have some early espresso that's going to be going about right there. We have some, what is this? Designer series paper. Goodness gracious. And then we have these two pieces. So we're going to put one here and one, whoops, one there. Like that. That is how this is going to line up on here. Maybe we'll get this one done straighter. Okay, so let's put our liquid glue. Come on, glue. Maybe I should be using my stamping seal. Let me see. And try to get the borders even. That way I'll know everything else should line up evenly. If that is even, these should be even. We'll take this and it's going to go right up against it. Yes. Then we'll take this piece. I like that in this pack of designer series paper, most of the designs were not directional. Most of them. So it made it easy to make these cards. I'm gonna put that one right there. Like this. I could have added in some twine or something with these series of cards, and that would have elevated it a little bit more. But I was just trying to keep it simple because there's a lot going on with the card sketches with all the little pieces. So I didn't want to take up too much time trying to do all these other things. So we're going to add this to our card base now. Just like this. Okay. And then we're going to take our sentiment here and we're going to take these little flags. Yes. These little. Yep. I'm just making sure which ones I'm using. I'm going to use that side. Okay. I'm going to put this one right over here like this. And I'll have this one like this. And then we're going to attach them all right here. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this to each other, the little flags. I hope I'm in not auto camera view. I'm going to put this one on. I'm putting glue only on one side of it so that I won't make a mess on my desk. And then we're going to just glue that right there. like that. I made a mess on my desk. Let me see. That's not that straight, so we're gonna move it a little bit. Now we're gonna get the Stampin' Dimensionals, and we're gonna pop this up. I'm gonna just cut this a little bit. I'm gonna make sure we cover that. Put one there and cut another little piece to go right here. And we're gonna pop this up on our card. And that's gonna go right across here. Like this. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Now this is cute. Where's my take your pick tool? I'm gonna put some of these gems on. I'm gonna put one here, one right there, and I'll put another one right here, right there, just like that. Isn't that cute? That is card sketch number 8. So this is 7 and 8 of Kendra's card challenge number 19. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.